Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. LED floor lamp. Music pickup atmosphere light. Rhythm of lights can sync to music beats suitable for parties, karaoke, movie times and gaming times. RGB LED strip can be combined into L6 million colors. Dynamic and static freely multiple display modes. Illuminate a wider area and reveal brighter effects. Smart app control compatible with iOS and Android systems. Smart Thermometer. We uses a high-end Bluetooth 5.0 chip and can easily monitor temperature and humidity data on app via Bluetooth. Using an accurate and sensitive sensorial temperature and humidity sensor, it can achieve a temperature error of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, a humidity error of plus or minus 3%, and refresh once per second for higher accuracy. Robot ball. Intelligent remote control robot. By the magnetic force to the head with the body beautiful sucked together, BB robot in the running or rotation of the head can follow the ball body rotation. Multi-angle rolling shape. Precision electronic components. Interactive Electronic Whiteboard. WB4700 is the most flexible electronic whiteboard. Its most characteristic is can make any lubricity and firm plane to be electronic whiteboard. It is a high extremity digital device which used in teaching demo, conference discuss, work report, military affairs drilling, originality process, long distance education, video meeting, long distance medical treatment. Photo light box. The photography light box is designed for small items of photography enthusiasts, crafters, artists, Etsy sellers and other online sellers, professionals and product advertising clients. Lightbox Studio allows quick and easy shooting of small products such as jewelry, accessories, toys, watches, gadgets and other items. Android Videophone. The world's first Android Go telephone. Android Videophone. 8-inch smarter display, telephone with touchscreen, LTE, phablet with handset. Best for different industries. Financial advisors in bank branches use V10 as a customer display, hotels and restaurants use as a walkie-talkie. Also telemedicine providers use it for remote diagnosis and treatment supervision. Refrigerator storage box. Made of PET material, the freezer organizer bin is environmentally friendly and doorless, without BPA. Resistant to fall and not easy to break. Adjustable, the length of the slide rail extends from 11.4 inches to 18.5 inches. The smooth slide rail design ensures that the drawer can be opened and closed easily. Bike work stand. Lightweight by aluminium alloy material. Almost no assembly required. It comes out of the box ready to use. Compact when folded. Quick release and adjustable height, 1 meter to 1.56 meter. 360-degree rotate clamp, that means you can put your bike at an angle. The two-leg design is space-efficient and very stable. (15-in-1) Multi Plier. Multi-function stainless steel plier. Stainless steel material, high strength, high hardness, wear resistance. Precision punched, machined surface, stainless steel components. Compact folding design, ideal selection for general purpose use. Mechanical keyboard. Low-free combined military cultural creation and creative design to interpret a different kind of military trend. Let young users who love low-free the hard power of China's aircraft carrier in a cool and new way. Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. Exclusive custom cool cap keycap. The color scheme is inspired by the hull of the ship, gray and orange. LED changing face mask. App control with 45 dynamic patterns and 70 pictures. Patterns glow in the dark. Various patterns support mobile upload. Increase atmosphere. Shocked the audience. Suitable for many occasions. Durable LED lamp beads. High quality connection. Soft silica gel. It doesn't hurt the skin. Wave in front of the mask to change the pattern. .360 rotating phone holder, 360-degree rotation, elastic silicone, stable and reliable. Anti-skid pad, non-slip silicone, comfortable and breathable. Removable design, simple and convenient. Environmentally friendly silicone rubber, high elasticity, 20,000 pulls, constant shape, 20 kilograms pulling force. 24 centimeters stretch length, barrier-free design does not affect facial recognition and fingerprint recognition. Cat litter box. Large space heighten the fence. Environmentally friendly PP material. Safe and secure. Fence design not afraid to splash. Cute crown design. Buckle design easy to disassemble. Phone UV Sanitiser. This product uses LED ultraviolet disinfection, environmental protection and health. Compared with the market lamp products, the advantages are as follows. Heating mode. LED uses cold light, while the lamp tube is accompanied by high heat, which is easy to deform some media. Service life. Longer LED service life. Electric grass trimmer, plastic blades, metal blades, alloy saw blades to meet the needs of various scenarios. No jamming, easy mowing in large area. The front and rear dual bearings have strong power, and the mowing is smoother. 220 high temperature enameled wire, high temperature resistance, and long life. The soft rubber coating has no burr technology, and it is comfortable to hold. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.